Welcome to the Max Class children. Today we are going to see topic numbers. In this numbers, first we see highest common factor, that is HCF. What is the highest common factor? Highest common factor of two numbers is the largest factor that is common to both the numbers. Common to both the numbers. Suppose we take two numbers, ரெண்டு நம்பர் எடுக்கிறோம். அந்த ஒவ்வொரு நம்பருக்கும் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அந்த ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் நம்பரில் வந்து காமனாக இருக்கிற ஃபேக்டர் எதுன்னு பார்க்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அந்த காமன் ஃபேக்டரில் ஹையஸ்ட் ஃபேக்டர் எதுன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். தட் இஸ் கால்டு ஹையஸ்ட் காமன் ஃபேக்டர். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு the highest common factor is also called greatest common divisor, that is GCD, and also called greatest common factor, GCF. Again I told you children, highest common factor is also called GCD and then GCF. For example, we see one sum, find the highest common factor HCF of numbers 30 and 45 by division method. Already you know that the division method. Now I do children. See, write the number first 30 and then 45. So this is called a prime factorization. First you check the number, ones place and tens place. See the ones place number, ones place is a 0. So it is even number. So the factor will be 2. You do this factor, you find out the factor by using the test of divisibility rules. So the ones place number is an even number. So we take the factor 2. So how many 2's are there? 1 2's are 2. Remaining 1, again 10, it will be 10. So 5 2's are 15. Next, again do the process. 1 2's are 2, remaining 1, and then next 5 2's are 10. Again do the process. Again see the ones place number. Ones place number will be the odd number. So we take the factor as 3 or 5. 3 or 5. So we take the 3, and then how many 3's are in 15? 5. 5 3's are 15. Next do the process again. This is also one digit number. So this is a 5. So if 5 will be divisible by 5 only. So how many times? 1 5's are 5. You start the process at 1. Next you do the 45. For 45, here also you check the ones place number. Ones place will be the 5. So the 5 will be ending number. So we do the factor as 5. So how many 45's are in 45? 9 times. 9 5's are 45. Again do the process. This is a odd number. So we will do the factor as 3. So how many 3's are in 9? 3 3's are. 3 3's are 9. Next it is a odd number. Again 3 will be divisible by 3 only. So take the factor as 3. How many 3's are in 3? 1 time. So you start the process at the moment 1. Next you write all the factors together. For 30, what are the factors? 2 into, see children, write all the factors. 2 into 3 into 5. Next write the factors of 45. So what are the factors of 45? 5 into 3 into 3. 5 into 3 into 3. See children, now you check the highest common factor. So what is the highest common factor? Product of common numbers. Product of common factors. So see here, what are the common factors here? 3 and 3 and then 5. So product of common factor. Here two numbers are in common factor. One is 5, another number is 3. So 5 3's are 15. So this is called highest common factor of 30 and 45. This is one of the method. We do the numbers separately. In the same way, we do the numbers samely, 30 and 45. Directly we take the both of the numbers as a prime factor. So here also you check it the ones place number. Here is the 0. This number will be the 5. So both of them are in 0 and 5. You take the 5 table. 5 is a factor of both the numbers. Next, how many 5's are in 30? 6 5's are 30. Next, how many 5's are in 45? 9 5's are 45. Next, see children, this is a even number, this is a odd number, but both the numbers are divisible by 3. You know the 3 table. 3 2's are 6, 3 3's are 9. So 3 is a factor. You must take the 3 as a factor. Next, how many 3's are in 6? 2 3's are 6. And then how many 3's are in 9? 3 3's are 9. At last you have to stop this process. Why? Because there is no common factor for 2 and 3. See here, for 30 and 45 you get the common factor 5. For 6 and 9 you get the common factor 3. But here there is no common factor for 2 and 3. So you have to stop this process at the moment. Next, what can you do? Write the highest common factor. So what are the highest common factors here? So write the factors 5 and 3. 5 into 3. You don't write the down number. So write the side numbers only. Next, 5 3s are 15. So this is also one of the method. HCF of 30 and 45. 30 and 45 is, what is the answer children? 15. 5 into 3, 15. Next, least common multiple. So what is the meaning of least common multiple? See here, the least common multiple of any two non-zero whole number. Without 0 we are having a whole number. So any two whole number, non-zero whole number is the smallest. It is very important children. Smallest or the lowest. Smallest or the lowest of the common multiple. You know very well what is the multiple. What is multiple? Suppose we take the 3 number, means what are the multiples of 3? 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, etc. The multiples are endless. They are going towards to many more. So this is called multiples. We take the multiples, common multiples, and then smallest common multiple or lowest common multiple. So of both the numbers, common for the both the numbers. This is called least common multiple. It is denoted by LCM. Lowest for L, common for C, and then multiple for M. So again I tell you children, the least common multiple of any two non-zero whole number is the smallest or the lowest. We take the smallest or lowest common multiple of the both the numbers. Next children, we see one example. Find the LCM of 30, 40 and 60 by using prime factorization method. That is, we use the division method in the prime factorization. First we write the number 30 children. So first we see what are the factors for 30. What are the factors for 30? The factors are, in one table 30 will be divided. 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 5 table, and then 15 table, 10 table, that's all, and then 30 table. So these numbers are factors for 30. Among these numbers, the prime and composite numbers are coming together. So first one is neither prime nor composite. And the next 2, 3, 5. These three numbers are prime numbers. 15, 10, 30. These three numbers are composite number. We don't take the composite number. You must take the prime number only, because they are asking the prime factorization. So we take the prime numbers only. Among the prime numbers, we take the smallest prime number 2. Let us see the sum children. See here. First we write the 30. So that also we consider the smallest prime number. We find out. Otherwise, you find out. See the ones place number. It is a 0. Even number, so the factor will be 2. This also you have to write it. Next, in 3, how many 2s are there? 1 2s are there, and then remaining 1. 5 2s are, and then how many 2s are in 10? 5 2s are. 5 2s are 10. And then next process. Again see the ones place number. It is a 5. Ones place number will be the 5. You take the 5 table, and then how many 5s are in 15? 3. 3 5s are 15. After that 3 will be divided by 3 only. So you write the factor as 3. And then how many 3s are in 3? 1 3s are 3. Start this process. Again the same way you write for 40. Here also ones place 0. You take the factor 2. And then how many 2s are in 40? 20 2s are 40. Again the ones place number 0. Again you take the factor 2. How many 2s are in 20? 10 2s are 20. Again 0. So we take the 2, factor as 2. 5 2s are 10. At last 5 table only we have to write the factor as 5. 1 5s are 5. Start this process. Again write for 60. Next another number. So here also ones place 0. You take the factor as 2. 3 2s are 6 and then 0. Again factor 0. Again take the 2 table. 15 2s are 30. Again you have 5. So you write the factor as 5. 3 5s are 15. So 3 table we write the factor as 3 only. So 1 3s are 3. So all after finishing all the prime factors, we write the factors. First we write the factors of 30. What are the factors of 30 here? 2 into 5 into 3. 2 into 5 into 3. Next factors of 40. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Factors of 40 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Next factors of 60 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Factors of 60 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. First என்ன பண்ணணும், first இந்த 3 நம்பர்ல உள்ள காமனை first நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். Next 2 நம்பர்ல உள்ள காமன் எழுதணும். And then காமன் இல்லாத நம்பரை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். First 3 நம்பர்ஸ்ல உள்ள காமன் என்ன 2. Next 2 நம்பர்ல உள்ள காமன் என்ன நம்பர் 2 இருக்கு. First 2 is a common number for 3 number. First 2 round பண்ணிடணும். Next common number இது 3 நம்பர்ஸ்ல எது காமனா இருக்கு 5. So 30 ல 5 இருக்கு, 40 ல 5 இருக்கு, 60 லயும் 5 இருக்கு. So மூணுலயும் உள்ள காமனை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம finish பண்ணிடணும். Next என்ன பண்றோம், 2 நம்பர்ல உள்ள காமன் எதுன்னு பார்க்கணும். 2 நம்பர்ல உள்ள காமன் என்ன இருக்கு, 40 ல 2 இருக்கு, 60 ல 2 இருக்கு. So அத ரெண்டையும் நம்ம கவுண்ட் பண்ணிடணும். Next again 3 இருக்கு, 30 ல ஒரு 3 இருக்கு, 60 ல ஒரு 3 இருக்கு. So இது 2 நம்பர் காமனை நம்ம எழுதிக்கிறோம். At last என்ன பண்றோம், செப்பரேட்டா தனியா இருக்க நம்பரை நம்ம என்ன பண்றது, மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். Next at last LCM. So LCM கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். LCM of 30, 40 and 60. So what is LCM for 3 numbers? Product of common factor and uncommon factor. Uncommon factor multiply பண்ணனும், common factor multiply பண்ணனும். So இங்க பாருங்க, காமன்ல பாருங்க 3 நம்பர்ல உள்ள காமன் 2 5 இருக்கு. So 2 into 5 3 நம்பர் காமன். அடுத்து வந்து 2 நம்பர் காமன்ல 2 3 இருக்கு. So 2 into 3 லாஸ்டா ஒரே ஒரு நம்பர் காமன் இல்லாம இருக்கு, அன்காமன் நம்பர் ஒண்ணே ஒன்னு இருக்கு. So அதை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனுங்க, எடுத்து எழுதிடணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணனும், எல்லாத்தையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். 5 2s are 10, 2 3s are 6 and then 2, 10 6 are 60, 10 6 are 60 and then 2 also here. After that 62s are 120. Therefore LCM of 3 number is 120. Next method la பாருங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்ல 30 40 60 இந்த 3 நம்பர் என்ன பண்றோம், சேமா எழுதி டைரக்ட்டா போடலாமா? ஓகே, இதுல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும், prime factor. Next second method. In the second method we take the 3 numbers equally and then write the find factorization. See here all the ones place, you check all the ones places 0 0 0. So you must write a truth table. It is a even number, 0 is a even number, so we take a factor as a 2. So how many 2s are in 30? 15 2s are in 30. Next how many 2s are in 40? 20 2s are 40. Next how many 2s are in 60? 30 2s are 60. After continue the process. Next see the ones place again, you check the ones place children for finding the factor here. Here ones place 5, here 0, here also 0. So 0 and 5. If it is 0 and 5, we take the factor as 5. In 5 table you write the divide all the numbers. How many 5s are in 15? 3 5s are 15. Next how many 5s are in 20? 4 5s are 20. Next how many 5s are in 30? 6 5s are 30. Next there is no common number for 3, 4 and 6 because 4 and 6 are even number, 3 is the odd number. So there is no common factor for these 3 number. So you start this process here. Next find the LCM. LCM of here, see the ones place number, second number 5 is 0 and 0. The ending number are 0 and 5. So you should take the factor as 5. How many 5s are in 15? 3 5s are in 15. Next how many 5s are in 20? 4 5s are in 20. Next how many 5s are in 30? 6 5s are in 20. See children, here 3. How many 5s are in 30? 6 5s are 30. Next children, see the numbers 3, 4 and 6. There is no common number for 3 numbers but common number for 2 numbers. We have a common number for 2 numbers. For 3 and 6 we have a common number. So write that one. 3, here 3 and then we take the common number for 3 and 6. So 3 is a common number for, common factor for 3 and 6. How many 3s are in 3? 1 3s are in 3. There is no common for 3. So write the number as it is. Next how many 3s are in 6? 2 3s are 6. After finding the process again. Next here 1, there is no need to find the factor for 1, and then 4 and 2. For 4 and 2 the common factor will be 2. Write the 1 as it is and then how many 2s are in 4? 2 2s are 4. How many 2s are in 2? 1 2s are 2. After also you have to do the process. and then see here also 1, third number also 1. The center number will be 2. So 2 is divided only by 2, the factor 2. Write the number, first number as it is. How many 2s are in 2? Write the 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2, and then last number you have to write it. You have to finish the process at 1 1 1. Ending will be all the for all the numbers find the factor as 1. For all the numbers ending at the 1. Now LCM of 30, 40 and 60. You multiply all the factors. See the factors. What are the factors coming here? 2 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. 2 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. So 2 5s are 10. 3 2s are 6 and then 2. 10 6 are 60. 60 and then 2. So 60 into 2, what is the answer? 120. Therefore, LCM equal to 120. So likewise also you have to find out the LCM for 3 numbers. Next children, relation between the numbers and their HCF and common and the LCM. Here, relation between the numbers அப்படின்னா 2 நம்பருடைய ரிலேஷன். 2 நம்பர்ஸும் அந்த நம்பருடைய HCF LCMும் என்ன ரிலேஷன்ல இருக்குன்னு பார்க்குறோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் we take 8 and 12. ஸோ 2 நம்பர் எடுத்துட்டோம். ஸோ என்ன ரிலேஷன் அப்படின்னா இந்த ரிலேஷன் பாக்ஸில் ஒரு ரிலேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. என்ன ரிலேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் 2 given numbers. 2 நம்பருடைய ப்ராடக்ட் அது எதுக்கு ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா அந்த நம்பருடைய அதே நம்பர் அந்த 2 நம்பருடைய HCFக்கும் HCFையும் LCMையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு எப்படி இருக்குமா அந்த ப்ராடக்ட் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். See the example. See the number 8 and 12. We take the product of 2 given number. First என்ன பண்ணணும்? Product of numbers. 2 numbers. Product of 2 numbers. First product கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம். So what is the product here? 8 into 12. So multiply பண்ணலாமா? 8 2s are 16 for 6. Balance 1. 8 1s are 8. Plus 1 9. So 96. Product of 2 numbers நம்ம என்ன கிடைச்சிருக்கு? 96 கிடைச்சிருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணணும்? இப்போ லெஃப்ட் சைடில் ப்ராடக்ட் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். ரைட் சைடில் பாருங்க HCF கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், LCM கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். எதுக்கு HCF கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? இந்த கிவன் நம்பருடைய HCFும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், அதே நம்பருடைய LCMும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? நெக்ஸ்ட் we find the HCF and LCM children for number 8 and 16. 8 and 12, sorry, 8 and 12. Write the 8 and 12. First we find the HCF and then LCM. See children, here 8 and then here 1 and 2. So both the numbers are for the given number 8 and 2 we have to find for the given number 8 and 12 we find the HCF and LCM. First write the number children. First find the highest common factor. See here once one digit number 8, here ones place 2. So here also 8. It is a even number. 2 also even number. You write a factor as 2. How many 2s are in 8? 4. 4 2s are 8. How many 2s are in 12? 6. 6 2s are 12. Next, again find the common factor for 4 and 6. For 4 and 6 we get the common factor is 2. So how many 2s are in 4? 2 2s are. And then how many 2s are in 6? 3. 3 2s are 6. So next you start this process here. Now find the HCF and LCM. First we find the HCF. Highest common factor. So what is the formula for highest common factor? Product of common factor. So what are the common factors here? 2 and 2. 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. Next find the LCM. For LCM what is the formula? Product of common factor into product of uncommon factor. Uncommon factor. Here what is the common factor? 2 into 2. What is the uncommon factor? 2 into 3. 2 into 3. You have to find all the numbers into multiplication. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. So LCM is 24. Now the LCM is 24 and then HCF is 4. See here HCF 4, LCM 24. Next write the rule. We write all the answers with the above rule. So what is above rule? Product of 2 given number equal to HCF into LCM. See here product of two numbers equal to HCF into LCM. So what is the product of two numbers? Here we are getting, see here, 96. So write the 96 in the left side. 96. So what is HCF here? HCF is 4. HCF 4 and then LCM 24. LCM is 24. You write in the right side. So 96 equal to, multiply the both the numbers. 4 4s are 16. For 16 write the 6, balance 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So 96. So what is the answer here? The relation between the HCF and LCM of two number is product of two number equal to HCF and their LCM. 96 equal to 96. So left side equal to right side. So the above relation is satisfied. Thank you children. We will see in the next video.